Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make photo collage on iPhone. So simply and provide full guide, don't skip my video and no need to use any third-party apps. So let's get start. At first open your shortcut apps. If you don't have shortcut apps, just go to App Store and install shortcut apps and open it. Click on to gallery option. Go to search option, search here to photo grid, press on to plus option and go back. Now successfully add this, click on to library. So look here, now successfully add photo grid. Just press on, then we get select photo option. You just select photo. So like select photo. So at first select 2, 3. If you want to select more, unlimited, like select 4, 5 images. Press on right mark. Now it's make it. And how can easily save? Click on to share option, scroll down, press on save to file and select location, like select download folder, press on right mark. Okay, now successfully save it. Go back, open my file apps, go to download folder, find here recently create photo collage. Okay, and I'm just save this image in my photo gallery. Click on to share option, press on save image. Okay, go back, open my photo apps. So look here, now successfully create photo collage. So that's it.